continuation of our travel series. I remember getting lost in a non-English speaking country. I tried to ask some people, but I couldn't understand their language and they couldn't speak English. Can you imagine how the conversation went? It was frustrating. That's why I decided to use this topic in this video. How to give directions in English. Since English is the most recognized language in the whole wide world. This is not only for travelers, but also for locals who can probably meet travelers who are lost and in need of help going around the city. Like what I've said in the last video, there are already plenty of ways to communicate with foreign people without knowing other languages fluently. There's Google Translate and other smartphone apps. However, it's still best to learn a few basic words, phrases, or sentences in English before going overseas. Or if you're in your home country, this is for you to be able to help travelers get to their destination. How good is that? So let's begin studying some common and basic phrases that we can use when giving directions. Walk up. Walk straight. Turn right. Turn left. Across from. Next to. Between. On the right. On the left. Now let's have a few examples using these phrases. Are you ready? Turn right at the end of this road and you'll see McDonald's on the left. Walk straight this road and you will see the gas station on the left between the hospital and the school. You can see the restaurant on the right next to the hotel. And if the person is driving, you can say drive straight, drive along, drive up, and so on. Basically just similar to the phrases that we studied earlier. And before we end, let me give you some tips that you can keep in mind when giving directions. Tip number 1. Speak slowly so the other person can understand. Tip number 2. You can use your hands to demonstrate what you are saying. For example, left, right, straight. Tip number 3. Consider using landmarks instead of street names since travelers may not be familiar with the streets in your city. Don't get lost like me, or don't get the visitors in your country get lost just because you couldn't give them the right instructions. In my experience, I had to go around and round the blocks under the heat just to get here. Now that you have learned how to give directions in English, share this video to your family members, your friends, or your classmates so you can practice together. In that way, you'll be more comfortable using the phrases and you'll not be shy or scared when foreigners approach you and ask for directions. If you like this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed in this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button below and get notified by clicking the tiny bell icon. Thank you for watching and let's continue learning English together in the next video. See you! See you!